A French sailboat company called Tiwal has just revealed its biggest model so far, and it comes with a pretty surprising twist. The new boat, called the Tiwal 2XL, is designed for a small family of 4, 2 adults and 2 kids. But when you're done sailing, the entire thing packs down into 2 bags that can fit in the trunk of a normal car. Yes, a full sailboat that you can literally drive around with in your car. Even though the 2XL is the largest boat in Tiwal's lineup, it still sticks to the design features the company is known for. The hull is inflatable and made from high-pressure double-wall fabric, while the frame is built from anodized aluminum. It also uses a 5-section carbon mast and a composite rudder and centerboard. There's even a retractable fin underneath that helps keep the boat moving straight while you're sailing. Altogether, the boat weighs about 54 kilograms, or roughly 120 pounds, and that weight is split between the 2 carrying bags. Each bag is under 145 centimeters long, making them small enough to fit in a car trunk without much trouble. The whole idea is simple. Instead of planning your trip around where the boat is stored, the boat can travel wherever you go. But the 2XL isn't just about convenience. It's built to be a capable sailboat as well. It comes equipped with sails from North Sails, including a 9-square-meter mainsail that can be reefed when the wind picks up, plus a smaller 2-square-meter jib. Together, they give the boat solid performance in light to moderate wind conditions, making it fun to sail whether you're new to it or already experienced. The company says the design was created after hearing from customers who wanted something the whole family could enjoy. The goal was a boat that's large enough for everyone, but still easy to transport and simple to use. That way, both adults and kids can get involved and spend time sailing together. Setting up the boat is also meant to be straightforward. No tools are required. The process mainly involves connecting 6 aluminum frame sections, inflating the hull with either a manual or electric pump, attaching the rudder and centerboard, and then rigging the sail. The mast fits directly into the hull without side support wires, which clears space on the deck and gives everyone more room to move around safely. The jib sail is mounted on a furler, which means it can roll in or out with a quick pull on a line. That makes it simple enough for younger sailors to manage. The mainsail control line also has an adjustable stopper, so either the person steering the boat or someone else on board can operate it depending on where they're sitting. One of the biggest advantages of a boat like this is how easy it is to store and transport. Traditional sailboats often require trailers, docks, and dedicated storage space. With the 2XL, you can throw the bags in your car, drive to a lake or coastline, assemble it in a short time, and head out on the water. Packable sailboats aren't entirely new, and Tiwal has been working in this space for years. What makes this model different is that it scales the idea up to a true family-sized boat. Other inflatable sailing options take different approaches. The Tiwal 2XL is aimed squarely at families and casual sailors who want something fun without the hassle that usually comes with owning a boat. It's certified for use in sheltered coastal waters, lakes, rivers, canals, and small bays, making it perfect for weekend trips or vacation sailing. In the United States, the starting price is about $10,930, while in Europe it starts around €9,900, including tax. It also comes with a 3-year warranty on the main components, plus 2 years on the electric pump. For anyone who loves the idea of sailing but doesn't want to deal with trailers, marinas, or storage fees, this might be one of the easiest ways yet to get out on the water. A full sailboat that fits in your car trunk is definitely a different kind of boating experience.